Number 27 on page 169. We are to find the vertex and axis of symmetry for the graph. So there's a couple ways we can do this. We could do it by completing the square, but I don't want to deal with that, especially since my leading coefficient isn't 1. I'll be dealing with a lot of fractions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the idea that your axis of symmetry can be found by using the formula x equals negative b over 2a. So our b is 5, so that means our axis of symmetry is going to be negative 5 over 2 times 3. So we get negative 5 over 6. So our axis of symmetry is the equation x equals negative 5 over 6. Then to find the vertex, what I have to do is substitute negative 5 over 6 into the quadratic equation that was given, and then find out what the y value is. And when I do that, I get f of negative 5 over 6 is negative 73 over 16. So that makes my vertex the point negative 5 over 6, comma, negative 73 over 16.